Good Sunday morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rock, and this is my partner in crime, Shadow. He's also trying to lose weight, but it doesn't work out at all. This week, I think I did all the heavy lifting for the group. He didn't do anything at all, so I'm very disappointed in him. So this is week 17, and this week I'll make it quick again. On the training side, I didn't do much again this week. The gym was still a mess to go to, so skip that. And I walk from work once, but yesterday I did a pretty nice, let's call it a nature walk, and you'll see that after the weigh-in, and hopefully you like it. So all in all, pretty slow week for training, but for food though I was pretty careful, except last night I had a party and let myself go a little bit, but it didn't affect things very much. So since I did the walk before, it took about an hour and a half. So let's go ahead with the weigh-in. Let's see where we are at. So, pretty good week, 273.4. Last week I was back up at 278, so lost like a little bit more than 5 pounds, while still not doing that much exercise, so not too bad. The food was really careful, but not too crazy. I was never really, I had some cravings, but it was like normal, I would say. So pretty good week again, and yeah, I'm pretty happy about it. At least it's going in the right way this week. So that's it for now, and then I'll cut to the video, my walk yesterday, and hopefully you like it. And if you do, please, I said it at the end of the other video, but still, please subscribe. It's really important for me. And hit the like button. So I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm bringing you to a nice place that I've been. It's been a while since I've been here, like 2 years. It's called Réserve faunique Marguerite. It's on Île Saint-Bernard, just on the south shore of Montreal. It's like maybe a 30-minute drive. I'm filming here in my car because I don't want to film with everybody around me. Most of the time people don't like that, so I'll just do my little intro in here, and after that cut to my walk. So it's like an animal reserve. There's an old history about this place. I'll put the link in the description and you can see. It's a pretty nice place. It's not very expensive, and right at the entrance you got a chalet where you can buy food and coffee and all that, and even like grain because you have birds here. I'm not sure about the name. I checked on Google Translate and it says tits. I don't know. So it's in French, it's a mésange, and they're small birds that come and eat in your hands. And there's a lot of deer usually, and all kinds of animals around here. So I'll go take a walk and try to make a nice video for you guys.
Can you believe this, guys? Like I was saying previously, you know, the gym is fine and all, especially during the week. But during the weekend, when it's nice temperatures like this, go out, and it's well worth it. Look at this. I'm not sure how much the GoPro will pick it up, since it's really not a zoomed camera, but it's very nice. Temperature, the weather is perfect today, and this place is great. It's really not expensive. It was like $5, so get out and try it.
done. Pretty nice day. Took about an hour and a half. It's like maybe 4 kilometers. So pretty nice time. I love this place. It's pretty nice. I don't come often, but when I do, it's always fun. So I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did enjoy it, please hit the subscribe and like button. I'll see you next week. Take care.